officially September. I cannot be more happy. It is already September, and then all the Burr months from here on out, it's gonna be a bunch of holidays, and I cannot wait. It is definitely the most wonderful time of the year. I'm very excited. I made myself a pumpkin spice latte. What is new? It is my favorite fall drink, and honestly I could drink this all year round, but it is definitely fitting for this video. Today I will be redoing a corner hutch that I bought on Facebook Marketplace for only $50, which is such an insane deal. I've definitely gotten other furniture for free that I picked up, or somebody that just wants to get rid of it, but $50 was amazing. I messaged the lady that was selling it, and she was also selling a mirror that kind of looks like the one that I have up here, except it's downstairs, and she was selling both the hutch and the mirror for $60 each, for $60. So I ended up getting both of them, and I think that's what made her want to sell them to me, because somebody else had already commented. Well, we commented at the same time, but my comment was at the top, and then it was the other girl that was interested, but she ended up selling it to me, and I could not be more excited. I saw this hutch was to buy it and redo it and resell it. I do refurbish furniture, I flip furniture, and that is my thing. So I will be reselling this hutch most likely, but it is going to live in our house for a little bit, and because it is going to live in our house, I want it to look really pretty and styled. Unfortunately, we do not have a garage, and we do have a storage room, but because it's very, very humid outside, everything gets moldy very quick. So if I'm gonna have a big piece of furniture or something like that, I have to make room for it in my home. So this hutch is absolutely beautiful. It is actually one of the pieces of furniture that I've always wanted to own, a corner hutch, and I finally have one. I will not be keeping it because I know that once we move back to the States, I will get the chance to re-own a new one, or re-own another one, and possibly even prettier than this one. So it's okay. I cannot wait to show you how this turns out. I am going to insert a clip of me painting it. It's probably not going to be a big clip because I had started painting the hutch way before I even thought of filming the video. I was initially going to just do a decorate with me video, but I thought it would be fun to include me painting it, even if it's just a little clip. But the fun part of this is the decorating, because it looks so pretty. Everything that I use to decorate the hutch complements the new color of it, so I'm very excited to show you. I feel like I've been talking way too much already. Let me go ahead and insert the clip of me painting it, and then we'll get to the fun part where I decorated for fall. All right, guys, so this is all that I'm going to be using for the hutch. I'm doing very neutral colors, browns, cream colors, lots of baskets, and a few foliage for fall. I got this at Daiso last year, and then this I found it on the curb, and everything that you see was thrifted except this one I made myself a while ago. This is so cute. It's one of my favorite risers that I've ever made. I've made others before, but not like that one. That one's so cute. Well, everything else that I make is pretty cute, but that one's like taller. Anyways, everything that you see is thrifted, except this ironstone picture. This is from Etsy. And yeah, everything is displayed here. That's what I'm going to be using for the hutch. And then here is the hutch. You guys, I was too lazy to paint that. I was over it because I hand painted everything with one paintbrush. And if you do see a little bit of paint missing, it's fine. I'm gonna repaint it eventually once I decide to sell it. For now, this is good. And then I also have that big basket up there that I thrifted a long time ago. This is like the prettiest basket that I own. I love it so much. It's such great condition. I'm just gonna leave it up there, but it looks like that. It's really pretty. And then this is what I'll be filling. I have a few things in here that I'm not even going to get into. It's just a bunch of like extra decor that I have and some candles. But other than that, this is what we're working. time for me to make dinner or start on dinner. I had actually started it last night. I put some chuck roast in the crock pot because I'm making tacos de birria today. That's one of my family's favorite dishes that I make, so that is what I'm gonna do. And I'm just gonna bring you guys along with me. I haven't done a cooking video in a while, so I thought that I include a cooking clip in this one because cooking is one of my favorite things to do for my family and in general. I'm also going to soak some red beans because I'm gonna make a red beans and rice. Yesterday we love the red beans and rice from Popeyes, but one day I was like, okay, I want to learn how to make them from scratch because I bet you they're 100% better than just the ones from Popeyes or store-bought. So I did them a few months ago and they came out so delicious. They were absolutely delicious. I made them with rice, obviously red beans and rice, and my husband loved it, my kids loved it, and it was such a hearty meal and very cozy type of meal and very easy because I'm going to let my beans soak, and then at night I'm going to put them in the crock pot. I don't have to worry about being in the kitchen, although I don't mind it. I really love being in the kitchen and cooking. I think it's better to put it in the crock pot. Honestly, it's also crock pot season because during the fall season is when I use the crock pot the most, and it's just like I love using a crock pot. I used to be anti crock pot person, and because I grew up in a household where we wouldn't use that. I grew up in a household where my grandma, my mother cooked everything from scratch, everything. Not that cooking in a crock pot you can't cook from scratch, but we did everything on the stove. So as soon as we moved to our first duty station, I was like, okay, I'm really busy with all 3 of my kids because I had just given birth to my son, and I found that I was a little bit busier than usual, and it was taking me longer to have meals ready for my husband and for my family. And then I started using the crock pot, and oh my gosh, it made my life so much easier. I had more time to be with my kids. I had more time to do chores and run errands. All I had to do was put my meal, whatever it is that I was cooking, in the crock pot, and it was ready by dinner time. So if you don't have a crock pot, you should totally get one. They're very cheap at Walmart. I think they're like $30 something. Also, Drew Barrymore has her beautiful line, like the mixer and my air fryer that I have, and she makes a really pretty one. Once this gives out, I will definitely be buying the other one so it matches my thing.